In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Shippo app from the Wix app market. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix dashboard workspace. Make sure you're logged into the correct Wix account and that you're viewing the site where you want to add the integration. This matters because any app you install will be connected to the specific site you currently have open in your dashboard. Once you're inside the Wix dashboard, take a look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This panel gives you access to the main tools and settings for your site. From there, find and select Apps. When you click into Apps, Wix will take you to the section where you can manage existing app connections and browse new tools that can expand your site's functionality. Next, open the Wix app market. This is where Wix lists supported applications and integrations that can be added directly to your website. The app market is useful because it lets you quickly discover tools for shipping, marketing, bookings, store management, and much more, all within your Wix workspace. Once the app market is open, move to the search bar and type in Shippo. Be sure to spell it correctly so the official result appears clearly. After the search results load, look for the official Shippo application integration. It's always a good idea to confirm that you're selecting the correct listing, especially when multiple results may appear that sound similar. When you found the official Shippo app, click on it to open the app details. This page usually provides a quick overview of what the integration does, along with any setup information or permissions that may be required. Take a moment to review the listing so you know you're adding the correct shipping tool for your store or business workflow. Finally, click Add to Site. This will begin the installation process and connect the app to your Wix site. Depending on your setup, Wix may prompt you to confirm the installation or continue with additional app permissions. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. And that's it. You've successfully started the process of adding Shippo to your Wix site through the Wix app market. Once the app is installed, you'll be ready to move forward with any additional setup directly inside Wix or within the Shippo integration itself.